Here we are given the integral of the square root of cosine times sine x, and this is a clear trig integral, likely using u-sub to solve it. What I'd like to do first is I'd like to let u equal cosine x, and of course the derivative of u in this case would be negative sine x dx. We have sine x dx here, and what this should allow us to do is rewrite the integral as negative integral the square root of u du. Now, to solve, we just have to solve this easy integral here. What we can rewrite this as is the negative integral of u to the 1/2 du. And of course, integrating this would give us u to the 3/2 over 3/2. And then we just flip and multiply this part, and that would give us 2u to the 3/2 over 3. Plugging that all back in, we can write negative times 2/3 u to the 3/2. And then finally, just plugging back in cosine x for u, that will give us negative 2, and then in parentheses, cosine x to the 3/2 over 3 plus c, because we're working with an indefinite integral. And that is the solution to this question. If you have any other questions or any other calculus problems you want me to work through, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.